Shubor nakaslem jong Nongshong Hima.
Ka District Legal Service Authority West Janda Hills District Hakar po Henry Jilio Kalapli ka Legal Care and Support Center Shnong Mupyut ka bahap hapo ka Amlaram Subdivision. Yagani ka Legal Care and Support Center Lapli the District Session Judge Chairman District Legal Service Authority West Janda Hills District N.A. Khan Hagajian lang ka V. Gezo Subdivisional Officer Amlaram Nongshong Shnong nolor kiwe. N.A. Khan Hagajingkran Ulong Kani ka Legal Care and Support Center Kathmuban Pendong Kajingkiang Kabapunya so hapding Nongshong Shnong Hagithan Nong Kendong Bat Kijaka Trikam Kum Ki Ying Bishar Ki Pulit Bat Kitana Sorkar Uri Thuru Yakanongrem Kabala Pendong Yakanika Center Dagba Pinkanmaw Yakaway Kamukot Duma Kabe Day Bat Kaway Kanong Sakhi Nakashnong Mupyut Kabala Arta Tian Banwan Mi Hakmat Ka Ying Bishar Namar Ka Jingtiang Bat Jingsha Berngam Haway Ubriu Uba Sha Kano Bola Sha Pala Jamin Kani ka jingja ulo ang kapinpaw ya jingdan kam jong kalat jingkershan hakathan hakbaki briu kila aban wat jingmut bat jingyarap nakalyang kaan kalam dalit shagijaka bajingay shagi ying bishar ni kithanan nalor ki kam an ulo ang kani ka center kan pensukru ya jingyarap hakimat ki bedei ba jing puli jong ki khna ka jingla ban yo ka jing sumar ka Jingshakri jong ki kalikit nongpang bat ki wei ki jing ki bedei ba jing bha jingmian jong ki Nongshong Shnong ula penslore ki Nongshong Shnong ban penan kampura ya kani ka jaka ban pentik naru baka District Legal Service Authority kan buat DNB ni kajing trekam jokan ka center ban pentik na baka hok bat kajing Shakri pat ba akan pensuk ikinong Shnong kamuput ulai kublai ru ya uba he Shnong kamuput ubadan kajing yo ijengai bat kajing shim khya jong u na kabenta ka baha kamyat jong ka imlang sala.
I have taken the initiative to open up this legal support center because there is a story behind it and I want to share with you. There was a witness from this village. She had come to the court to give evidence, and this witness said that she is very scared. When the accused is released from jail, he used to threaten everybody, and he had killed his father also. He used to threaten his brothers, sisters, everybody. So that is why she was not coming to the court. She was scared to come to the court and give her evidence, because she was scared that if the accused is released on bail, he is going to harm her. So I just felt that it's time that all of you should have access to court, and if you have any complaint, the police station is very far, the court is very far. You don't need to come to the court. This place will be a point which will join you or connect you to the court, to the police station, to all important places. So please, we are not only confined to courts relating any problem. You want your children's, I have also noticed one thing also I have just seen, lot of children are not going to school. Somebody does not have money to pay fees. Sometimes you have a school, the teachers, they don't come. Sometimes you have somebody sick, you don't have money to take him to Nirgams, to take civil hospital, no ambulance. But this office is a multi-purpose office. We can help you in the best possible way. It's up to you to make best use of it. But we'll be coming over and over again and again to take assessment of it. So that's the story behind of this office. Okay? So I believe that this is just a starting point, and then all of you will contribute and make best use of this office. Once again, I'd like to congratulate and thank you, the headman. And I'm very happy that you have a wonderful man as a headman of the village, who is a very far-sighted person and who can see the real welfare of the people of the village. Thank you so much.
I'm very happy to hear that the Dlsa is setting up a legal center here. And this comes at a very opportune time, a proper time, because Mupyut is one of the focus villages in the subdivision as well. We noticed that there are a number of issues relating to saturation of schemes, Aadhaar enrollment, and various other government schemes. So this is one area which has been in focus, and setting up a legal center over here, this will be very helpful for the local community, for the local villagers. That's one thing, and this also comes at a very opportune time again, because I had been discussing with the SDPO just last week itself that it is high time to carry out some legal awareness campaign or some legal awareness program and some program on cyber security and other areas for public interaction and community engagement. So I would like to congratulate the Dlsa and thank the district judge sir as well particularly for this initiative, and also want to urge the village, the headman, the secretary, and all the members of the village to make the fullest use of this, because this is a wonderful platform to get access to legal rights, to understand the various rights which are entitled to a citizen. And it's being a little remote also, it's sometimes a little difficult to access facilities at the headquarters, and therefore having a clinic over a center over here will be very beneficial for the villagers, not just for Mupyut but for the other adjoining areas and in the subdivision as well. So I want to express my best wishes for the full use and engagement of this center. Thank you so much.